What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are doing a highly requested video. We're installing an AFE Stage 2 intake on the Forte GT.
For this install, you'll need the following. Begin the install by separating the airbox. Using your pliers, remove the hose clamps and hoses attached to the intake tube. Next, use your ratchet to loosen the clamp securing the intake tube and pull to remove. After the intake tube has been removed, we will now remove the factory airbox. First, remove the air filter. Then, remove the 3 screws holding the airbox in place with your ratchet. Press the 2 fasteners into place to secure the inlet portion of the airbox. Attach the airbox using the OEM hardware and mounting locations. Note that the third mounting location is located inside the AFE airbox. Place the filter inside of the airbox and position the intake tube into place. Place provided couplers on each end. Don't forget to install your hose clamps as well. Using your screwdriver or socket, tighten the hose clamps into place. Reattach the hoses and secure them with your pliers. Lastly, install the weather stripping around the opening of the airbox. This completes the AFE intake installation.
All right, so that's gonna just about wrap this video up. As you can see, we did just install the AFE Stage 2 intake. If you're doing this at home, you should be able to get this done in right around an hour, maybe more, maybe less, depending on your skills and patience, using just basic hand tools. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button. If you wanna see more content just like this, be sure to subscribe. And if you got a comment, drop it below. Thanks for watching.